Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on PCLN, NVDA, Tesla, Netflix, and CMG. So PCLN bulls got the follow through they were looking for on this bounce. We held the low of Friday by less than $1, and then the bulls showed up for the higher high, closing at the high of the day. So resistance, if we see a break of the high of today tomorrow, is 1748 before we start filling the gap to the upside. So the bulls have some decent momentum, and the strong close at the high of the day certainly benefiting the bulls as well. And as long as this higher low pattern is maintained, look at the hourly time frame when you're locating that trend. 3 days in a row of higher lows, so that hourly higher low pattern very clear. Bullish reversal candlestick trying to form on the weekly. We will see an inside bar form this week, and the question will be, can we close near the high of the week at the end of the week to have some bullish momentum? We can also be scouting a bearish entry once we see the top of this bounce. I'd like to see the bulls get really extended up to 1800 over the next couple of days to reach that point where I'm comfortable going bearish, but we'll have to see a bearish reversal candlestick on the daily time frame first. NVDA inside bar on the daily, 212.01 support, 217.17 resistance. We'll be looking for a break, but we close at the low of the day, favoring the bears with momentum. So with the bear break, 211.63, and we start filling the gap back down. The gap's at 206.33. That's a decent amount of downside if we do break that inside bar bearish first thing. It will be normal, healthy consolidation. Anything holding the daily middle Bollinger Band will keep that pattern up, and 237 is our higher low now on the daily. Weekly time frame for NVDA, a couple months of straight up. Consolidation under the upper Bollinger Band, no red flags unless we lose that higher low. Tesla bulls showed up today thanks to Elon Musk tweeting about truck unveiling. So we've got a bull break of 308.69 and we start filling the gap to the upside. The bulls really saw the lack of resistance filling this gap, and we're able to see a pretty strong day today. Resistance, we have the gap fill at 320.26, and lining up with that, the 200-day and the middle Bollinger Band are all going to be converging in the low 320s. So that's going to be a key level that the bulls are going to have to get over in order to continue this bounce. Weekly time frame for Tesla is bouncing off of the 50-day moving average support for the third day in a row. Inside bar bull break occurred at that 308.36 level, and the weekly chart is trying to see a bounce. We will look for a lower high to form on this bounce and a bearish entry opportunity, just like PCLN, but letting the bulls do their thing for now. Anything under 332.61 will be a lower high on the daily time frame. Netflix on the daily, bulls confirming the reversal hammer off the 50-day moving average support from yesterday. Key daily middle Bollinger Band, it's actually from Friday. Key middle Bollinger Band resistance test is coming, and we back tested and rejected from that level once last week. That's going to be in the 196 to upper 195 range tomorrow, and we'll watch to see if the bulls can get over that level. And the next level after that would be 197.09. Still very cautious here on Netflix. We do have a lower high, lower low on the daily, but the weekly chart favoring the bulls long term. This is very healthy consolidation that has been ongoing, and as long as the tech sector bulls stay in control, this long-term weekly chart should continue to favor the bulls. It's just the daily chart that needs to regain momentum. First things first, getting that middle Bollinger Band back as support. CMG, bearish reaction to news first thing on a dump. Bulls bought that dip very aggressively. We bounced over $15 from the low, and we closed above the exponential moving averages, still maintaining that support. So resistance is 279.25 and 281, and if the bulls can break 281 tomorrow, they'll have significant follow-through with a bull MACD cross and potentially a bull TCG cross of these exponential moving averages. Weekly time frame building a base down at 270 the last month and trying to see some follow-through now. Exponential weekly resistances, we'll have to be watching those as well. So that's what we've got as we head into tomorrow. Market bulls buying the dip from a weak start this morning, and we'll see if we head towards that all-time high later this week. Thanks again. See you tomorrow.